Hey, welcome to my bathroom. I was about to go to bed and then I thought that I have a package, so I rolled out of my bed because I was really looking forward to these pair of pearl earrings. Oh my god, what a tongue twister. Anyway, I will unbox them. I couldn't wait and I already opened one of them, but this package hasn't been opened. So I thought I would do a ASMR style unboxing and then I'll try them on for you just so you can see different sizes. Okay, so first up we have these earrings. Okay, so some context here. I saw this picture and I'll link it over here online, and I was like, wow, this is so pretty. So I wanted to try some pearl earrings, but then I didn't have a very good idea of which size would be the best for me. So I ordered a bunch of essentially, I guess, fake, well, they are actually fake earrings, because why not? And I really wanted to see the sizes. Okay, and setting this aside for a second, this pair, you'll see them in a little bit, it's gigantic. Okay, I actually don't know which one sounds the best, so I'll just like touch them. I always like to play with these bubble wraps. Okay. But yeah, look at these ones. They are huge. And spoiler alert, I already tried them on. I think these are 14 millimeter. They're just a little bit too big. Okay, and then we're gonna open this one. And then finally, this one is 8 millimeter. Okay, so I'm gonna put them all together so you can see them. Okay, not sponsored because nobody sponsored me, but so you can see them, right? Oops. Okay, so really quickly, starting from this side at top, 6 millimeter, 8 millimeter, 10 millimeter, and the one in the middle is, sorry, 12 millimeter, and then this one, it looks enormous. I think it's 14 millimeter. I'll try all of them on just so you can see them. All right. Okay, starting out with this one, which I believe is 14 millimeter. It looks absolutely enormous on me, so I don't think it looks very good on me, especially because of the post. I don't know if you can see it, the silver one here. I guess it's not called the post, but you get what I mean, right? Essentially what's between the stud and my ear, the silver piece in between. I don't know, I just don't feel like it's very flattering. But yeah, this is 14. And here you can see it from another angle. It doesn't look as huge from this angle. Yeah. Next up, we have this one, which is, I believe, 12 millimeter. Like, people can definitely notice that you're wearing pearls, and I think it's got a very nice sheen, given that it is fake. I like the size a lot. I feel like it's just substantial enough without making you look too old-fashioned. I like the size a lot. Okay. And then once again from this angle, I really like this size. Okay, now size 10. Oh my god, I think this might be my favorite size actually. It definitely feels classic, but at the same time, it doesn't make you look super old. I think I had this like misconception of pearls. I felt like only, you know, mature lady will wear them. But nowadays, I think for people of our age, you can totally rock them. It's super classy, but fun, you know? Anyway, this is a size 10. I'll do a quick comparison here with the size 12, just so you can see. Yeah, I don't know why, but size 12 looks a lot bigger if you look at it from, yeah, well, I guess. But anyway, hopefully you get a good idea. This is a size 10. Okay. But yeah, I think the size 12 looks a lot bigger. Okay, now we have the size 8. It's pretty. I don't like how it looks like in person. I don't know how to explain it. I think it looks nicer in videos, but in person, I think it feels a little too small. Yeah, this one is probably a better comparison. If you can see, it is a little, oh, it feels a little small. Yeah, I think here you can see, right? It feels a little too small, but it's just my taste. And I'll do a comparison with the next size up. What I'm holding right next to my ear right now, this one is a size 10. Okay, now we have the size 6. It's very cute. I actually like it. I'll show you from this angle as well. It's very cute. It'll be a great diamond stud alternative. If you're unsure if you like pearls or not, I think this will be a good starting point. Okay, and I guess like what I did for all the other ones, I'm gonna compare it to the next size up. It always looks so much smaller next to the one that's the size up. So yeah, I'm holding the size 8mm, and this one is a 6mm one. So if I could choose two, this is what I would choose. I would choose this 12mm one because it's super fun, and I think it would be great for just like every day or over the weekends. And then on this side is the, before I forget, 8mm one. I just think that it's such a sweet size. It'll be great for during the week if you want to wear it to work, and just, you know, super easy to wear, not old school at all. I love it. So this one and this one. Weekday, weekend.